あ体痛い。首が痛い。shoulder pain, neck pain, eyes pain, 目が痛い。Do you have this type of problem? 目が痛い、体が痛い、肩こり、neck pain, 首が痛い、腰が痛い、back pain. So many problems, especially people who are working in corporate. So today we are going to share some of the knowledge about yoga for corporate people. So 今日は yoga for corporate 社会人のためにいつでもできる yoga の technique, some of the Sukshma Vyayam, yogic Sukshma Vyayam, some asana and some pranayam which will help you in your daily productivity, concentration and overall health and well-being. Hi. So whenever you are tired, 毎日我々パソコン見てこんな感じで仕事してる。We are working like this. So our neck, our back, our shoulders are like this. So we cannot inhale properly. 深呼吸できない。So 定期的に we need to do some Sukshma Vyayam. Some of the Sukshma Vyayam which we normally do in our office, I personally do. While meeting also we can do that. For example, we just do something like this. 手を返して息をしながら上 and just hold in this position. Hold in this position for one breath. 鼻から吸って鼻から吐きます。Very simple. Then come back. Now after doing this you will feel so relaxed and you will all 疲れがもう飛んでいく type no feeling you will have. Next problem we have 首の痛い。首の痛みのために just very simple pranayam, very simple Sukshma Vyayam. 息を鼻から吸って and 鼻から吐きます。体を伸ばすときに息を吸います。吸いながら伸ばします。and 吐きながら縮めます。So inhale, back. Exhale, 前の方に。Inhale, exhale, inhale, come back. Exhale, left. Inhale, come back. Exhale, right. Inhale, come back. Exhale, left. Inhale, come back. Exhale, left. Inhale, come back. Then we can do neck rotation also. Exhale, down while inhaling, 回ります。Exhale, 前。Inhale, 後ろ。Exhale, 前。反対側、右から吸いながら後ろ。吐きながら前。吸いながら後ろ。吐きながら前。Come back. So this is very simple technique, yogic Sukshma Vyayam technique for neck problem. If you have neck problem, 無理しない範囲でやります。自分ができる範囲までやっていきます。One more technique, very good technique. そのまま頭を強くステーブルして、and 頭を強く押します。反対側に押します。Normal breathing, 普通の呼吸。はい、反対側も。はい、後ろも。 前も。はい。So this is very good technique for your neck problem. If you have neck problem, you can do this yogic sukshma vyayam in your office, in your desk you can do, anywhere you can do, whenever you have meeting, Zoom meeting or maybe Skype meeting, you can have this normal sukshma vyayam. And main point is to focus on your breathing. Always inhale and exhale from your nose. いつも鼻から吸ってand鼻から吐きます。普通の呼吸、normal breathing. Okay, and focus on your breathing. 自分の呼吸に集中します。Okay, now we'll share some of the knowledge of te, our hands, sukshma vyayam of our hands, because we are always typing, we are always using our mouse like this. So mouse こんな感じだと we have problem in this portion of our hand. 結構たくさんの人は IT 企業で we have people who are having problem in their wrist. So to avoid that, what we do is very simple technique. グーして胸の前に合わせて親指合わせて and 息を吸いながら外側 like this. 指 and 指離れないように like this. Exhale, come back. Inhale, 外側 exhale, come back. Inhale, 外側 exhale, come back. You can do for 10 times, 15 times, 5 times. 10回でも大丈夫、5回でも大丈夫、15回、20回でも大丈夫。You can do that. Focus only on your breathing. Then we have this one more technique, that is 自分の手まっすぐして肘曲げないように and 指を後ろの方にこんな感じで倒していく。Normal breathing. Normal breathing. ずっと鼻から吸って鼻から吐きます。3 breathing, 5 breathing. 右側も同じ。普通の呼吸。and then 下の方こんな感じ。and then 右の方こんな感じ。Very simple techniques. In fact, you can do before starting your work, you can do, or after 3 hours or 4 hours, you can do maybe 2 times in a day or 3 times in a day. You can do before lunch. You can do very good timing to do before lunch. Then we have koshi no itami no kata takusan imasu. Koshi no itami. We need to twist our sebone, our this thing, our waist. So how we'll do is 足を左足右足の上に置いて and then 右手左足の外側に置きます。こんな感じ。Just twist back. Normal breathing. 普通の呼吸。Same thing. Opposite direction also. Right leg on the left leg and then left hand outside the right leg like this. Twist. It's a sitting version of Vakrasana. We can say it's a corporate version of Vakrasana. We can name it corporate Vakrasana. So this asana is very good for your waist, for your back problem. So you can do without 無理しない範囲で自分が don't force 自分ができる範囲までやっていきます。Okay. Then again some asana, some sukshma vyayam for our ankle, ashkubi, normal like this we can do anytime like this. We can do like this, something like this while sitting, while having meeting. We can do any time like this. You can do. So these type of things you can do. One more asana which I would like to introduce, that is Uttan Mandukasana. We can say corporate version of Uttan Mandukasana. That is very good for expanding our shoulders, our chest, because 我々がたくさんこんな感じ仕事して、さっき言った通りこんな感じ仕事してるので、オキシジン、酸素がたくさん入れない。So to improve our inhalation and exhalation, our overall breathing, we need to expand our chest like this. So one asana is very good asana. So something like this. right hand on the left shoulder and left hand on the right. Normal breathing, Futsuno Kokyu. San Kokyu de mo daijibu. Go Kokyu de mo daijibu. Like this. Come back. One more, Sono Mama. Ushiro no Honi. Join your hands and raise your hands like this. Take no Haimade. Normal breathing. Come back. Hi. So these are some of the asana or corporate version of some of the asana and some Sukshma Vyayam which you can do daily. So it's a whole package, you can say. So daily you can do all package. Okay, so you can start from your neck, then you can go to your shoulder and wrist, hands, UB. This one is also one of the good Sukshma Vyayam, like this, like this, like this, this. こんな感じでやっていきます。Okay, so these are some Sukshma Vyayam and some asana. Now I'll introduce some of the pranayam which we can do normally, especially after lunch and time when we have like 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. That time most of the people in corporate I saw, they lose all of their energy and concentration. They cannot concentrate. They cannot concentrate on meetings. They cannot concentrate on their work. So it makes them to work late and do overtime. So recharge ourselves by doing Anulom Vilom and Brahmari. Very good, recommended, especially at after 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, like that time of the day. So normal Futsuno Kokyu and inhale from left, exhale from right, inhale from right and exhale from left. Very simple. こんな感じ。左から吸って、右から吐きます。右から吸って、左から吐きます。And continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times. And you will feel the difference of your concentration, of your productivity, of your overall health, or overall breathing, or overall stress level, how stress level is decreasing. Okay. Then next is Brahmari. You can do Brahmari. Like this. Humming sound. And exhale. This is one version of Brahmari. Second version is close your eyes like this and ears. This like this. Koko, if you close here, then you cannot hear anything from outside. Just inhale. Exhale. So this is how you can sit in meditation also like this normally. You can sit normally. Office you can sit. I used to sit. Concentrate normal. And while doing this dhyan, we can say it's a dhyan. We are going towards the dhyan. We can do Sukshma Vyayam of our eyes also. So while closing our eyes, we move our eyes like Hidari, Migi, Hidari, Migi, Hidari, Migi, Ue, Shita, Ue, Shita, Ue, Shita, then Ue, Kochigawa, Ue, Shita, Ue, Shita, come back, then here, this side, Ue, Shita, Ue, Shita, Ue, Shita, rotate like this. Hidari kara 1, 2, 3, then hantai gawa 1, 2, 3, like this, and then rub your hand. Put on your eyes. You can close, open, close, open. So this is the whole package of corporate yoga, we can say. We have so many other things also which we can do, but as of now, if you can do only these things in your daily routine, the most important thing is daily routine. If you can do that, that means normally you won't have any problem in your daily life. So that will be all for today's yogic techniques, you can say, about corporate yoga no kono session wa konna kanji de arimasu. So I hope this will help you. This session will help you in your daily corporate life. On December 19th 2021, we are going to have interactive session about yoga for corporate. Kotoshi no saigo no interactive session, last interactive session of this year, 12月19日 19th of December 日曜日10時から11時までコーポレートのためにヨガのインタラクティブセッションをやります。So 今回のテーマはコーポレートのためのヨガ for corporate. So please join that event, that interactive session. You can have Moshikomi, you can register from patanjali.jp, and see you on 19th of December, and hope you have good and enjoyable and healthy corporate life. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you very much.